snowing again. It's Friday, January something or other. I don't know. It's around the end of January. And gonna get a little bit of snow today. Tomorrow, just gonna be a shit show of a storm. But so for right now, I gotta run up to the farm, see what they're all doing, and when I get back, I'm gonna get the tractor going and try and break out my woods road. Wanted to do it yesterday, but yeah, it was so cold. The battery was kind of cold and tractor wouldn't start. It's like minus 30. So anyways, I got the battery in my porch right now, mudroom, whatever you want to call it. Put that in last night, or well, late yesterday afternoon. Get the frost out of it, so should be good to go today. Have to move that old trailer, and then I can head up around there. So yesterday that was the plan. That didn't work out, so done some more demolition in there. Real mess in there now. So yeah, I gotta get some wood in. And I don't know, so get some wood in, head up to the farm, see how everybody's doing, and when I get back here, I'll head for the woods. Alright, it's warmed up a lot today. Snow finally stopped. I took the battery in last night, that warmed up, tractor started right up, so that's warming up nicely. Now I'm just gonna get a chain here, so I can move that old trailer so I can get up the road. There we go. Trying to do this one-handed. It's funny, you can do this at home one-handed. It's fine. Tried this at work, your boss will rip you a new one. Oh, all right. That there's just my 3-point hitch boom. There we go. Back up here. There. Okay. All right. See if I can't get that tractor up here hooked onto that old trailer. And so I just gotta move it down here enough so I can get up around that turn. All right. Great, get it hooked up like that. Well, it's half-assed, but so all I gotta do is move it enough to get by it. Yeah. So, see how this goes. I'll just leave it here for a minute. I don't know, I'm gonna try and move it again. Back it up there somewhere. I don't know. Yeah. Oh man, what a pain in the ass. Alright, I'm just gonna shut the video down for a couple minutes so I can use both hands at this. It's going to be a slow fucking progress here. Like, alright. A lot more snow up here than I thought. Must have drifted in. This is wild. Hey, shut her down. Great. They're going, but well, I was making headway. Now I'm getting into deep snow again. Did I ever mention I hate winter? I got out the road a fair little ways, and I'm just doing a lot of spinning and ripping and tearing. Actually, sat there flipped over on me. Oh, come on. Oh, put that in a minute. Maybe now. Yeah. Come on, you bastard. Oh well. Flip that over in a minute here, and I got two hands. So, say, snow's really deep. It's kind of hard going, so, but it's gonna storm tomorrow again. So, kind of got the on-shelter part of the road broke out. After this, everything's in the woods, so hopefully it'll be better tomorrow or Sunday. So, guess what I'm gonna do? So I'll leave that for now. Get the storm out of the way, I'll plow, then I'll take that blade off. So my snow is all piling up behind it. It's just nature of the beast, I guess, with that. So, say we'll get through the storm tomorrow, then when that's cleaned up, I'll get that blade off, and then we'll head out and start breaking the road again. It'll be a lot easier going with out that on there. Alright, so gonna leave this where it is for now, and say see what happens. So say, like, get that road broke out after this storm, and hopefully we can start getting some logs cut and start getting some lumber milled, because I'm gonna be out of work now for a few months. So say, it sucks, but It'll give me a chance to get some stuff done here. Like I say, I want to make my fence, expand my fence out, get some lumber milled, and I don't know, just kind of take a break and see what happens. And so yeah, that's it for this video. So later.